Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. We have a very nice development on the daily time frame chart of TIA. You can see recently price of TIA while moving to the downside formed this down channel. And now we have broken out the resistance of this channel. And after the breakout, the price has retested the previous resistance of the channel at support. Now it is geared up and now it is trying to break out this very strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from here from 3.7 cents at $3.70 and goes to $4. And if you take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that recently it was working as a support here, support here, and support zone here. And now again, it is flipped into resistance after this breakout. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And you can see that once again, the price end has also broken out this very long-term down trend line resistance as well. That is the resistance of this very, very big and huge down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup of PYR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone here, like the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade signal, like this signal I shared on 25th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch how the price line moved after sharing this signal. But for that, you need to click here on this play button. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of TIA. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past stable days of weeks, it was moving inside this channel since after 25th of November 2024. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, another bounce. Then we got so many rejections, then we had another bounce. And finally, the price and broke out the resistance of the channel. And after the breakout, the price and has also retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. It could not break out this resistance on that start from $3.70 and goes to $4. That was recently working as a support zone here for several days of weeks. Support here, support here, support here. Now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We got so many rejections, and therefore now to continue this move to the outside, we will still need to break it out. By the way, here we also have this uptrend line resistance as well. That is, by the way, coming from here from the month of August 2024. We had a bounce here and then the bounce here, and so many bounces, small bounces here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We got rejection here. And this time the pricing can hit this resistance somewhere here, approximately at $4.40. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $9. And by the way, this $9 is already working as a very, very strong resistance. You can see that we got few rejections here. And before that, this $9 was working as a support here and support here as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, you can see that we have again broken out the resistance of this big down channel as well. That target is still here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.